I just got my May Ipsy box, well, BoxyCharm box. So I want to come in and share with you guys what I got, tell you my thoughts about it, and let you know what is going to be happening with me and my Ipsy BoxyCharm boxes in the future. So if you want to see what I got, stay tuned. Hi and welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Felicia here with another video. On my channel I do fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and some sneaker content. So if you're into those type of things, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So like I said, you guys, I have my May Ipsy or BoxyCharm subscription box. I already opened it, so this won't be a first reaction to this. I'm just going to show you guys what I got, give you my thoughts on it, and let you know what's going on in the near future. If you do not know, Ipsy and BoxyCharm has merged. They are now under one umbrella, and they are a beauty subscription box service. You get full, they have different tiers. So the one that I have, you get 5 full size products for, I think it's $28, and then you pay for shipping. So it come up to like $33 and some change every month. The great thing or the cool thing now is that you get to pick 3 of the items that you get in your box. So there really isn't any surprises anymore when you get your box, but I'll talk about that a little bit later. Let's get into the box. So this is what it looks like on the inside. What does that say? Discover yourself. And this is what it looks like. It's nothing major. I almost hate the way that they put these boxes together now because it just feels like it's so thrown together. This paper, I don't know why we need that. This box is already coming to loose, so yeah. And typically they will give you a card describing your products, letting you know how to use it, giving you some tips on it, as well as giving you like the prices for your items. Now they give you like these little cards that have just like information on it or whatever. So this one is about SPF, and I don't even have SPF in my box. Let's get into the items that I chose for this month. And that is this Sela Cream Violet. It is a lavender and oatmeal hand and body butter. And this is a full size amount. Let me see. I didn't like do all the things. So that's what it looks like. It smells good. It has a very strong lavender scent. I only use a small amount, but it's not really doing much. But it'll be something to throw in my purse or to have in the car, because I don't think I have a lotion in my car. So I can just throw this in the car and I'll have lotion for in the car. The next item that I chose was this Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow Body. It is a 12% AHA BHA resurfacing serum with honey and prickly pear. So this is for your body. You use this. It helps to soften rough skin and help eliminate bumps. Helps to improve texture and tone for a smoother glowing skin. And like I said, this is for the body. So this would be good for like your legs, your feet, your arms, or whatever the case may be. And I think it's sealed as well. It is. So this will be good to use, I guess like a body scrub. I know it said it's a serum. So apply to clean skin, use nightly, may build up to more frequent use. Skin tingling may be experienced. So I guess you would put this on. I thought it was like a scrub. So I guess you would put this on after the shower. It says to clean skin. It doesn't say whether or not it should be dry, but I'm guessing if it's a serum, you will use this after your shower and in between, like between your shower and putting on your regular lotion, because when you put on serum, you you clean your face, you tone, then you put on the serum, and then you put on the moisturizer. So I guess I would use this before the moisturizer if I use it. And then the next item that I chose was this Bell and Argent. It is a lip exfoliator or lip scrub, which I needed. So it just comes in this tube. It has this cute packaging, and it just looks like that. So it's nothing fancy, just a regular a lip scrub, but something that I can add to my nighttime routine. And then the items that came, or the items that they chose for the month, was this Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream, Dewy Moisture, and Plump um, Moisturize Daily Refill and Reuse. So this is a refiller moisturizer. This lightweight creamy gel moisturizes most of the skin quickly, leaving a refreshing dewy glow. It features a hydrating blend of 3 plum extracts, 5 wastes of hyaluronic acid, and poly something else acid for long lasting intense hydration. Ice Williberg helps balance oil and support a healthy looking skin barrier for combination skin. Usage after serum, smooth the dime size amount into clean skin morning and night. Gently pat into the skin until fully absorbed. So I'm really picky when it comes to my face moisturizers, only because I do have oily skin, and so I be wanting something that I be trying to make sure I don't have something that's going to make me look shine. Now this says it control shines, and it comes in this type of packaging, and it has this pod. It says it, so this is basically all of the product that you get, and then you get this like that. So I guess Glow Recipe is now trying to use refillable containers, and I noticed that Fenty is doing that as well. I wonder if I could, because it is a Glow Recipe product that I like. I wonder if it comes in a refill, and can I just use it for that? But yeah, I would probably use this more so for at night because of the hyaluronic acid, because that does moisturize your skin a lot. So this would probably be more of a nighttime moisturizer for me, because it doesn't have SPF or anything like that. And it says it's a plump, like plump, dewy moisturize and plump. So yeah, I probably will wear this at night. And then I have another mascara. This is by Purr. It is Big Look Extreme Mascara with Argan Oil. So, wait a minute. This is the packaging. It's black. Okay. All right. So, it's a black mascara. I like mascara, so I can never have enough. So that is everything that I got in my May Ipsy BoxyCharm box. And this will be my last box. I know that I said I was going to give them a try and do 3 boxes, but I decided after this one, I wasn't happy with the products that they even offered for you to select. So I canceled after I select my items or whatever. I just canceled it and said, I'm done. I would rather just spend that money on buying products that I actually like and want to use, or if it's something that I want to try, I'll just have that money for that, and it's getting something that I want. Like I said, you get to choose your items, but it's still choosing your items is a great great thing for a subscription box. However, when you have items, when the items that you get to choose from, you don't even like them, it really doesn't even matter. And that was with me. I spent a lot of time trying to figure out what I wanted because the options wasn't really that great to begin with. So that is it for me with the subscription boxes. I am done. What I do want to know, guys, is would you like for me to go back to doing my favorite things where I show you products, beauty? I was showing beauty, home, lifestyle, wines, whatever the case may be. Would you like for me to go back to doing that, or are you okay with all this, period? Let me know in the comment section. So that is it. I am done. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to this part, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also like and comment, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.